Oh shit! Oh man, the torque is nice. Holy shit.
Yeah, he goes like a Mad Max.
Oh, look at this guy. This guy's like staring. Alright guys, it turns out my neighbor is also a car dude, but he's this old school Russian dude, and yeah, we're gonna go check out his car real quick. Here he is, you see him. I don't know if you guys can see him yet, but he's detailing his car. Oh man. Alright. Introduce yourself to the people.
Hi,
What's
my
your
name is Mike.
Mike.
I'm owner PONTIAC GTO.
What year is this? Tell me about this.
66.
66, guys. Damn, look at how clean this thing is.
Everything is original on that.
Original. 1966 GTO. Damn. Look how clean this thing is. When I saw him before, he said it's not clean. Look at this thing. It's super shiny. The red just pops crazy. I'll give you a little tour of the car. Damn. How many miles are on this thing?
Oh, I don't know. I'm a third owner of the car.
Third owner.
Yeah.
Look at the interior. It's so clean. Holy shit.
I have a car about maybe 25 years.
25 years. Damn. Cute trunk. The trunk is huge. Damn, look at that, guys. Look how much stuff you can fit in. I think I can probably crawl in here.
Oh, yeah, 2 people can.
Crazy. So you were saying the engine is a V8?
Yeah, 400.
400 horsepower?
Yeah.
Crazy. Damn.
With the kick transmission.
Right. Kick transmission. He was telling me how if you...
When you push the right, you have a shift.
Yeah, you push it to the right, then you can shift it like it's a manual. Nice. So sick. I'm gonna ask Mike, go for a ride later.
Yeah, of course.
Damn. He popped the hood before. There was... There's a carburetor in there. I've never seen a carburetor before. Oh my god. All original. He said he replaced this brake master cylinder. Now they come with rotors and calipers. Supposedly it's the first year they have the rotors and calipers for this car.
Only front.
Only front. Everything's original, guys. Yeah, I don't know much about this car, but damn, that engine is enormous. There's so much room in here. Oh, new radiator. Cool. Okay, can't wait to see what this thing can do. Alright guys, going for a little ride at the seatbelt.
Aeroplane seatbelt.
Is that? I've never seen that before. Oh, airplane seatbelt. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's original.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit! Oh man, the torque is nice. Holy shit.
Yeah, he goes like a Mad Max.
Oh shit! Our favorite people. Our favorite people in the world. Oh, I hate it when I see them. Look at the police officer looking at the car. Oh man. So it's a stock transmission?
Yeah, 400. 350 was original transmission because it's convertible.
Oh.
When a convertible car come in, engine 350 and transmission 350 original.
Okay.
But that car somehow has originally 400 transmission and 350, 400 engine and 350 transmission by switcher for the 400 transmission.
Okay.
Because more power.
Nice. The suspension actually feels pretty good on this car.
It's brand new. Last year I finished.
Wow. Damn. Moving to Europe. You got a family out there?
No.
Damn.
My son is here, but the opportunity of the business is better than here, you know?
Are you... So... You're still married?
No. I'm divorced.
Nice!
See the woman looking? She passed. Look, woman, look at this.
Oh, look at this guy. This guy's like staring. This is where Mike picks up all his women. You see Victoria's Secret?
Few moments later.
Okay, we leave you here.
Okay, thank you.
We have a nice ride. Thank you for the...
No, thank you. Have a
Okay.
good day.
You too.
Oh man, it's crazy. Went out with Mike in his 1966 Pontiac GTO. It's different from what I'm used to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this episode. If you like what you see, if you like these little takes with different cars, leave a comment below. Yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.